Welcome back to another day, and I have no idea why we're doing this, but we are going to make great Jolly Ranchers. The process for this is very simple. We just found a glass jar, put some Jolly Ranchers in the glass jar, put it in the microwave, melted them down at about 15-second intervals apiece, and then using toothpicks, dipped the grapes in the Jolly Rancher and stuck it on a sheet pan. We decided to try a variety of different colors and flavors. This one here is watermelon. Like always, we can't have anything basic with Jessica around. Everything we do has got to be decorated. There they are, candy-coated grapes. We're going to take these and stick them in the freezer and enjoy them later on. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.